Hello brothers, this is why Kimi K3 model destroying the competition worldwide right now. Just look at this. This is Kimi K3 model made by China, and today I am gonna show you how you can also use it completely free for your any project. Recently I had seen in many YT channels, they are just fooling you. They claim it's free, then just redirect you to the main Kimi's website where it's so too many people are using right now and you think you got it. So don't worry, today I am gonna show you how you can use it completely free by Nvidia. First off, I have got a quick request. Please like the video and subscribe the channel because this video is part 1 of full setup, where in this video I will show you the full process, and in next part I will show you how you can set up it in your own laptop. So let's start the video. Here you can see live orbit projection made by Kimi all over the earth, live satellite movement. You can also check out from my description. So can you tell me which country is this? Here this light and dark portion refers day and night respectively. Now let me show you some more crazy project created by Kimi K3. This is another project, OpenSea. Here we can customize the daylight and I love this. Also you can change the length of wave. The visuals are amazing. Here in this cool design, you can literally move this text like a curtain just using your cursor. Here you can check how black hole looks like, and you can also customize shape, color, camera angle. Okay, now let's see what Kimi can do. First of all, come to this website kimi.com, and here you can check out all the features of Kimi that user can use. Here you can see Kimi launched 3 powerful models, K2.6, K3 and K Set this thinking effort section standard mode for saved tokens because we actually know what it's like to be poor. Okay, here I select K2.6, and when you scrolling down you can see some Kimi's features. Check it out. All the links is given in my Telegram channel of this video, so you can just join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description. Now first of all, for using it, simply log in this website by your Google account or mobile number. So let's create the account. Okay, I log in with my Google account, and for check how fast it is, let's create a full Minecraft game from a simple prompt. Okay, let's start the processing. Thinking right now. Again I request you, please subscribe the channel because till now I have only 2 subscribers. Okay, it will take some time. After this I am going to tell you how you can use this Kimi model totally free by using NVIDIA API. Okay, let's start a timer. For check how much time it takes, I set a 20-minute timer, and here you can see when you select K3 SWAM, you have to upgrade your account for use this model. So now here is the process. Here you can use it completely free. Open your Chrome browser and type boldnvidia.com, and here come to this website. Okay, it's loading. Here in this website, select models, and here you can see many exclusive paid model free API provided by NVIDIA. So you can also search another free API model, and now it's completely free. Also you can use this setting for filter. You can also check the API is paid or free. Then in search box search Kimi and hit enter, and here you can see the Kimi free API. Click on it, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you can just simply copy the API key, scroll down, and you can see the setup process in terminal, how you can use it. You have to set up this API key in your terminal, and if you know how to set up this API key in your terminal, that's pretty good. And if you don't know how to set up, just save my channel, and I am going to upload full setup video as soon as possible. You can check out the next video link in my description, and I know 80% of you will skip it. Okay, now here you can see it takes about 15 minutes for creating this game. Okay, let's play it, and here you can check out the all code that is used for creating this game. And this type you can create your own game. Also you can earn money by uploading this game in Play Store. Okay, as far as single prompt, visuals are looking perfect, but I had never played Minecraft, so I don't know how to play, but I think you can, so just check it out. Okay, if you watching this video till now, you can just check out our Telegram channel, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Yeah, that's all for this video. Just go and check out all of these models. All links are given in video's description, or otherwise you can also check out in Telegram. See you in the next one.
Fast lane, brains game, breaking the chain. KRISHNA on the feet with the fire in the vein. Tips on the time and the rhyming is climbing. Data is diamond, we constantly mining. Goose on the skin when the lesson begin. Win after win, let the digital spin. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. KRISHNA is here.